My uncle passed away about 6 weeks ago or so, and we're going to go down to his house today. But it is the house that my grandpa and his family grew up in. It's like a really old croft style, like very Lewisy house. I'd really love to take you with me. And yeah, it's a small house. It is a small house, but it's gorgeous. I found lots of old pictures of family members, including my mum, which was a baby, which I think is really lovely. But I think it will be a gorgeous house once it has time and money and improvements made to bring it up to date. But it's sad. It's very sad. Obviously it's very dated, but in terms of island houses, is it what you would dream of, or what you would imagine like a nice little croft? Honestly, Brachen. Yeah, he's being very noisy. He's quite tired.